Welcome back to Taylor Cooks, Taylor's Kitchen. It's Wednesday and we've got loads of leftovers still from the weekend. So what I thought I'd do, I'd make you something that's very similar to the fish cakes. But it's going to include the potatoes and the cabbage and some bacon, which is going to be absolutely spot on. And I'll make a little curry with the other leftovers that we've got, and the two can go side by side. So stick with me, and this is going to be amazing. What could possibly go wrong? So like I said, very similar to how we did the fish cakes, to be really honest. Mash our potatoes up just like we did before. And this is a great way of using leftover potatoes. Like I said, it's Wednesday now, so these really need using or vat packing or similar. So mash those up. There we are. Excellent. Here's our cabbage. And some of it's chunky, some of it isn't. So what I'm going to do is just bring it down a little bit more before I add it, because I need big chunks of cabbage in there. What goes well with cabbage is bacon. Bacon goes well with cabbage. So let's get this into there, like so. Bring it back. Plenty of salt and pepper. Okay. Need to mix it all together, and like I said, what goes well with cabbage is bacon. Now the bacon's been open for 3 days, so I wanted to get it used and then it's not in the way. Right, let's get it mixed up. There's our first one. There we go. Oh, come on. There we are. So instead of frying these in oil, I'm actually going to put them in the air fryer, and they should turn out absolutely amazing. So whilst they're cooking now, I'm going to make you a little curry, little coconut based curry with all these leftovers that we've got here. Plus what we've got in the store cupboard, so we've got an onion and stuff. There's an easy way to do this. So you've got your garlic, you've got your ginger, you've got your coconuts, you've got the peppers out your store cupboard, you've got leftovers there. You could just use any of these mixes, I suppose, and just put a spoon in, or 2 spoons in, until you get your taste right. I'm not going to do that, because here at Taylor's Kitchen we have all the spices, so I've made a little spice mix, and I've got some mustard seeds there and coriander seeds as well. So I'm going to do it that way around and let it reduce. Let the curry come together, and then these can go in just really to warm up, because they're already cooked and they're nice. So let's get on with that. Like I said, you've got the mustard seeds and the coriander seeds in there. I'm going to put those in. I'll own this 3 cardamom seeds as well. I just forgot, just at the end. They're just starting to pop. I'm going to put the onions in. Right, onions are softening nice. Get the garlic and ginger in. Garlic and ginger. These are dry ingredients, and there's a list on the screen here of the dry ingredients, spices that I said. Bring that round. Oh, smells wonderful. Alright, that's looking nice. A little bit of water just to loosen it. Oh, looking good. Right, I'm going to put the chilies in.